in bringing competitions to our students. This helps them, like Chef Eric says, become better chefs.
Remember, got have those influences of what? The Korean culture, the kimchi, gochujang, right? Or have what? The soju in there, right? Something in there. Gotta have that depth of flavor, right? So always taste your food and make sure it's really good, right? And again, congratulations, and I can't wait to see who's first, second, and third, right? All right, thank you very much.